Hi, in today's video, I'll show you how to free up storage space on your Android phone. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Next, tap Storage or Storage and Device Care, depending on your device. Here, you'll see how much storage is being used and which categories are taking up the most space. Review your apps, photos, video, downloads, and other files to identify anything you no longer need. Delete unwanted files, uninstall apps you don't use, and clear unnecessary downloads to free up storage. You can also use your phone's built-in clean feature or a storage management tool if one is available. After removing unnecessary files, check your available storage again to confirm that you've freed up more space. That's all. You've successfully freed up storage space on your Android phone. Happy watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.